Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video we are going to discuss BODMAS rule. Here BODMAS rule is nothing but, let us define that BODMAS. Here in this we have BODMAS. Here BODMAS, board is nothing but, that is B is nothing but bracket, O is nothing but of, D is nothing but division, M is nothing but multiplication, A is nothing but addition, and S is subtraction. And now here BODMAS rule is nothing but, we will have some of the problems like all the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction in one problem, that is 5 into 7 divided by 8 into 4 divided by 3 plus 6 minus 4. And like these problems, how to solve very easily, and it has the rule, that is BODMAS rule. Here in this, in any given question, first we have to do the division, and then next multiplication, and then addition, subtraction. Now let us see some of the examples for this BODMAS. And here this is the one of the example, that is 5 plus 7 into 6 divided by 3 plus 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Here all the people will get confused when we see this type of questions, but it can be easily solved by using this rule. And now here, after seeing like this question, all the people are doing continuous, that is first 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 into 6 72, 72 divided by 3, and the getting answer is again divided by 4, and this is the wrong. And now we can easily found by using this rule. Here, as already said, first division should be done, and then multiplication, and then addition, subtraction. Here addition or subtraction, whatever can be done first, but for using this name, the addition is written first, but addition or either subtraction can be done. And now in this question, first we should do the division, that is 6 divided by 3 is here and 6 divided by 2 is here. First we should do these two. Here we know that 6 divided by 3 is 2, and again 6 divided by 2 is 3, and write the given numbers. 5 plus 7 into 2 plus 4 minus 3. This is the number after division is completed. And now the next one is, we should do the multiplication in the given numbers, that is here is the multiplication, that is 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. 5 plus 7 into 2 is 14 plus 4 minus 3, and here in this only plus and minus, that is addition and subtraction only is there. Here 5 plus 14 is 19, and again 19 plus 4 is 23, and 23 minus 3, and finally the answer is 20. And if we do this procedure, the answer will be correct, and the previous procedure that it is not correct and the answer will be not 20, this is wrong. It is the easy process to do the BODMAS problems. And let us see the another example for this same. This is the problem, that is 74 plus 63 divided by 9 into 46 plus 4 into 9 divided by 3 into 6. And this is the very big problem, and we should do the simply and very fastly by using this rule. And this type of questions is very important in competitive exams, and when we seen this, we shouldn't be confused, and by using BODMAS rule we should easily solve it. And now let us solve this. That is, here first we should do the division. 63 divided by 9 and 9 divided by 3. That is, from the 74 plus 63 divided by 9 is nothing but 63 by 9, that is 9 sevens are 63. So here is 7 into 46 plus 4 into 9 divided by 3 is nothing but 3, and here is 3, again 6. And now up to this division is completed. Now let us see the multiplication. That is, here is one of the multiplication, here also multiplication. 74 plus 7 into 46. Here it is not one digit multiplication, it is two digit multiplication. So we can do it by using speed multiplication very easily and simply. And here 7 into 46 is nothing but 322. And again here another multiplication, that is 4 into 3 into 6. 4 3s are 12. 12 6 are 72. And here all are addition. So we should add all this. That is 74 plus 322 plus 72. Finally we will get the answer is 468. And this is about the sum of the problems of BODMAS rule. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.